Hi guys, Quack here, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a permission handler. So I'll show you the original permission handler. Code dot. I think it was setup command. Setup command. Um, Let me find it. Hmm. hmm. Or was it record? Here. For example, the record command. Here we have to write in every single command. Like if we create another, let's say, simulation here, we have to create a permission handler. But today we will create a more simple permission handler, which we would need to create it in message event. So go into your event folder and then message. Here I have opened it, and let me scroll through. We don't want the square, we don't want to check AFK. It should be under here. So we have to define the permission flag, const permission flags equal, and then an array here. I will open the permission flag. Go to Dicord.js.org and then documentation. Search for permission and click this one, the classes. Then scroll down, find the flag, and we have to copy every single one of this one here. But I have already noted down, so I will just gonna copy from my notepad and I'll paste it here. Format document, and under it I will create a permission handler. So if command dot permissions dot flag dot length, length, and then let invalid permissions flag equal to an array, and then I'll create a for loop for const permission of command dot permissions with s. If there is no permission flag, dot include permission. So here we check for valid permission flag, which is this one. Then return console.log backticks invalid permissions wait, without an s. So right here, if it couldn't find the permission flag that is inside this array, it will return into the console log. And then if this message dot member dot has permission, this is the same as for example sim join here, and then this one would be the permissions, then invalid permission flag dot push permission. So here, and then under it would be, let me find it. Okay, under the for loop would be if invalid permission flag dot length const no permission embed equal new. Have I defined it as Discord? Yes. Discord dot message embed. First we will start off with color. Set color red. Whoops. Red. And then set title. Title please. Invalid permission. I'll just do this. Now set description. You don't have that permissions. And then I will add field. And this one would be permission required and would be backticks and then a backtick inside. And then this one would be let me close bracket, invalid permission flag. And then I'll set footer as usual as set footer client dot user dot username and then client dot user dot display avatar URL and set timestamp. Then I think we're done. Right. Oh, I forget to send the message. Would be no permission embed. Alright, so let's try run it. No dot. First of all here, let's say setup. There will be an error because we haven't defined permission here. I will show you in a second. Let's say dash setup. It would send the error, but if we let me close the terminal first, and if we write permission here, it put it in an array, and we can just copy the permission from here, or if you can remember it's also fine. For example, you need to be admin to be able to use this. So if I do no dot, and here I'm admin, if I do dash setup again, it would give me the setup command. But for example, if I use my alt here, 1 second, dash setup, it will say you don't have that permission, and permission required would be administrator. You can put in as many as you want. For example, if you need, actually I'll just do let's say record. Okay, I've added administrator, and if I add manage messages, and for example I give my alt manage messages perm, let me check if he has one. Manage message right here, and have I run the bot? If I run the bot dash set, oops, it should be my alt dash setup. Here it will say permission required administrator. So you need both of them to be able to use the command. So for like setup command, you just have to put in permission. You can put it as many as you want. For example, if I put in, let's say, Quark, which is not inside the permission flag, and if I do no dot, then let's say I do dash setup with my command dash setup, there would be invalid permission. And because this one return console.log, which means it will stop everything, it will return the invalid permission. So now we know that there's an invalid permission. We might have how do I say it, mistype, or there's some typo. So for example, if I say manage server, whereas this one is manage guild, and I run the bot again, no dot manage server, and I use the bot dash setup, it will say invalid permission. And if I change it, manage guild, no dot, whoops, dash setup, I would be able to use it. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you got any problem, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you guys want the code for this particular part. You can join my server, and then I'll be giving it out to you for free, so you don't have to take time and write it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.